Katie, if you had told me 5 years ago that we'd be standing here today, I would have said, yeah, I know.
I count the days to see you, honey, honey.
I've known Katie since the first grade, 25 years at this point. She's my best friend, really like my sister, which we often get when we're together.
Having you as my child has been the greatest gift I could ever ask for. And I'm so proud of you and the amazing person you are, kind and thoughtful, talented and creative.
When I'm with you.
We knew Dan was done for when they met freshman year. Blonde, beautiful, and she generally seems to love his nerdy sarcasm.
I'm right where I belong.
I've had the pleasure of watching Katie through every big milestone in her life, and I'm so happy to be standing by her side today as she did for me when I got married.
As a parent, there's really no better feeling when your child finds their person. And when that person is someone like Dan, it's even better.
Dan and I met back in the freshman year of college in the crucible that was Pi Cap pledging. He has always had my back. All of the groomsmen can attest to Dan's ability to just be fun and to really just forge genuine relationships.
Dan, I love you for how happy you make Katie. I am so happy you're part of my family.
Dan and Katie, you have come before all of us assembled as witnesses to join yourselves in marriage.
My dearest Dan, I love you for everything that you are. Truthfully, it feels like you are my perfect other half, the calm to my crazy, my perfect counterbalance. I vow to wake up and choose you every day for the rest of my life. I vow to stand by your side through the good times and the bad. I vow to grow old with you, to keep loving you with all my being until the end of my days.
Katie, it's the greatest triumph of my life to be standing here with you. I love how much you love to be alive. I love how well you treat people. I love how you think I know everything. You make the world a better place for me. I can't tell just what the future will hold, but I know my place in it will always be right here with you. I love you.
I now pronounce that they are husband and wife. Congratulations to you both. You may now kiss your bride.
While today has been beautiful, I hope today isn't even the best day of your life together. I hope it's the start of a series of even better days ahead.
Katie and Dan, I wish you a lifetime of joy and happiness, and I love you both so much.
Everyone raise your glasses for a toast and a quote from Professor Albus Dumbledore. You are protected, in short, by your ability to love.
Cheers to the bride and groom.
When I'm with you, I feel like I'm already home.